what a car accident lawyer can do for your case. The essential aim of an auto accident legal professional is getting you economic compensation to cover your fees like medical bills, vehicle restore or replacement, lost wages, permanent disability, pain and suffering, loss of consortium. Car accident attorneys are personal harm legal professionals who specialize in tort regulation surrounding automobile accidents. There are a variety of methods that can assist you pursue the fullest compensation possible. Here are some of the important matters an auto accident attorney does when working with an injured driver. Helps you understand your rights. Most human beings are no longer well versed in private damage legal guidelines involving automobile accidents. Because of this, when an accident does happen, it's definitely comprehensible if you don't be aware of what your full rights are. If you have been no longer at fault for the auto accident, you must no longer have to pay for damages ensuing from it. The legal guidelines around automobile accidents range per state. In Georgia, the at-fault birthday party in any harm accident is responsible for all damages, and the injured birthday celebration can are seeking compensation for their damages, per 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫 5116. Your attorney can go via all applicable legal guidelines that follow to your case. They'll assist you recognize what your rights are and how you can legally shield yourself. Insurance groups are professional at making you assume you have little desire in how your case goes. However, you in all likelihood have greater energy than you realize. Offers legal advice. After you get in an accident, you would possibly get a lot of differing advice. Maybe you appear online and see an article announcing one thing. Then, you speak to a pal or household member, and they supply you their opinion on what you must do. It can get difficult shortly and depart you questioning how to exceptional method your case. Turning to an automobile accident damage attorney is frequently the excellent area to start. Car accident legal professionals recognize what have to manifest after an automobile accident. They have spent years of schooling, training, and hands-on journey with vehicle accident claims. They can appear at the important points of your case and provide you the excellent recommendation on how to are searching for the full economic restoration you need. Find a skilled auto accident legal professional if you prefer to have the high-quality danger at a profitable auto accident case. Negotiates for a fair settlement. A lot of work and investigation goes into a profitable auto accident claim. An accident lawyer does a lot in the back of the scenes to construct a robust case for you and battle for your rights. They can assist you, investigate the important points of your accident, gather all applicable information, which include pictures, police reports, witness statements, and proof of damages. Build and file a non-public damage declare with the at-fault driver's insurance plan company. Negotiate for honest agreement if the insurance plan corporation tries to lowball you. File a lawsuit if the insurance plan agency refuses to negotiate. Handle each and every step of the pretrial process. Represent you in court docket with the aim of recuperating full compensation for you. Represents you in court. Thankfully, most auto accident instances are resolved nicely earlier than they want to go to court. Insurance agencies are greater probable to provide a truthful contract to a plaintiff who has an accident lawyer. Even if you stop up submitting a lawsuit, it's in all likelihood your legal professional will attain a settlement with the insurer earlier than the trial. However, if you do stop up going to court, a vehicle accident legal professional will be by way of your facet through the whole ordeal. They will combat ruthlessly for your proper compensation. Experienced legal professionals are no longer afraid of insurance plan corporations.